Welcome to the Winter Wonderland at the back of our house, guys. Ang daming snow. So, ito yung dry snow. Ayan siya. Hindi siya napapak. So, hindi pa pwedeng gumawa ng snowman. Super dry siya. It's windy. Pwede gawa ng halo-halo, no? Yan. Halo-halo. Check this out, guys. Wing!
You'll get your mother's fool in trouble.
Wing! So, ganyan siya. Super dry
Why did we
snow.
want the ice down there?
Wait a minute. Come on, come on.
Stop it.
Oh, wow. Look at this. Look. Ah! Ice. Super refined. Super fine snow, right?
Yeah.
Over here, hon. See? Super yummy. Pag hinalo ito sa halo-halo, guys. Ang sarap nito. Tama-tama lang talaga. Perfect. Sarap nito.
Honey. Honey.
Lagyan natin ng dipa. Check this out.
Show 'em what it is. Show 'em what it is.
Look. No, no. Ooh, yum. Pag natunaw na ito, guys, mas masarap ito pag natunaw na. Yum. Really cold though.
Get it right directly off the table.
Hmm?
Don't get it right directly off the table.
No, I'm not. So, since we moved here in Ohio 2021, eto na yata yung pinaka madaming snow na na-experience namin. Kasi now it's like 14 inches ang deep ng snow. So, kung isipin nyo yung ruler na 12 inches, mayroon pa siyang additional na 2 inches more. So, di ba madami at makapal talaga. Ayan si Habi, busy sa paglilinis ng kanyang sasakyan. Kasi yung usual lang namin talaga dito sa Ohio is nasa mga 4 inches, siguro 6 inches. Eh, nadoble pati. Kasi 14 inches sa ngayon. Pero yung mga bata hindi pa rin iniinda, naglalaro pa rin. Gustong-gusto nilang maglaro sa snow. So, walang pasok ang mga bata Monday at Tuesday. kinanceled ang pasok ng mga bata. And we are grateful and thankful na we still have water, we have electricity and heater to keep us warm, o, diba? Thank you, Lord, for keeping us safe. And the kids are
garden ko,
having
wala
fun in the snow.
Takpan na ng snow ang
Kasi
garden.
canceled ng school Monday and Tuesday, wala silang pasok. Dahil nga, unusual yung dami ng snow. So, thank you all for watching, guys. And thank you for all the support. For watching my reels, my videos. Thank you so much for the support, guys. And God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye.